Okay, everybody, tip of the century. EU3000. Problem is, this choke here, pull it out, and it wants to drift back in. Well, what do? A lot of time you think, oh yeah, you gotta replace the cable. Well, I come to find out, it's not even listed in the manual. Behind here, behind this rubber thing, is a nut, and you just tighten the nut and take the rubber thing off and show you here. Let's see if I can do this. Yeah, if you grip this with a pair of pliers, it should be pretty easy, but you want to keep the rubber thing so water doesn't get behind here. Let's see if I can get this off again. Alright, here we go. So you got one of two options, depending on how bad your cable is. You can see that knurled nut. That nut tensions up the cable. So now that I tightened it, you can see you got resistance now, and it stays put. So you could, what I usually do to keep that rubber thing on there is loosen that up and then put the rubber doodad back on there. A little rubber water shield to keep the water out of the cable so it don't rust in case you run these outside, which they want you to do. So you get that back behind there, get that shoved over that nut. Sorry about that, hard to do if I hold a phone and do this at the same time. Put that back on there. You want that to be, the back side of that rubber thing has a little lip, so you're gonna put it over the nut. So then you just tighten this nut down. And sometimes that you can't do it by hand. See, I just did it by hand. So you just get a pair of pliers or whatever you want. See, you have to go do this one-handed. So we just tighten this down, just grip that nut and tighten it down. So I just got to feel it. You don't want to get too crazy, but it makes it a little harder to do. Now it's nice and hard, so it'll stay. Tip of the ear. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.